there guys, how you all doing? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial video. I don't usually do these often, but today I'm going to show you how to basically make any sort of music ear rape. So what you're gonna need to do is that you're going to need Audacity. If you don't have it already, you can download it from their website. All you want to do is you want to open it up, and basically you want to get one of your favorite tracks, doing import audio, and for sake of this video we're going to use I'm Sippin' Tea in Your Hood by X. Rest in peace, man. We're going to be using this. So basically you want to get a part of the song that you want to ear rape. I'll use this part because this is where he oops. This is where he starts like going off on the beat. So we're just gonna drag it to as long as you want. It doesn't have to be the whole thing. So once you've selected, you want to go into effect and you want to do distortion. Now you're probably gonna start off with hard clipping. Anyways, any of these things are good, but I recommend doing either hard clipping or hard overdrive. I personally recommend hard clipping. So basically you're probably gonna see something like this. Everything's gonna be like this, which this is good if you apply it. It's definitely going to make it very loud, but as you can see it doesn't top out, which is not what we want. So you want to bring the clipping level all the way down to 0 so that you get the full loudness. And also you want to bring these up all the way to 100. And that's basically it. So let's hear it now, and I'll
no, I'm posted in the booth for the booth running to. Gotta get in the mood. No, I'm rocking the feelings. And boom, sipping tea. The fuck is up, you buttercup? Ain't not enough.
And that's literally all you do, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends who want to create some sort of meme. If you really want more tutorials like this, be sure to leave it down in the comments and subscribe to see more content from me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch y'all later.